Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Yesterday, in the previous class, we have learned unit number 1, the human body. So, my dear students, today we are going to start unit number 3, plants and their parts. Okay, open your book at page number 18. Okay, open your book, page number 18, New Oxford Primary Science 3rd edition. Okay, that is your book. Okay, unit number 3, plants and their parts. Objectives. Today you are going to learn about the plants. Plants are living things and there are different types of plants, and paper is made from wood. Today we will learn about these 3 things. Okay, so plants are living things. And who are living things? Plants. I have told you in the previous class, plants, animals, and human beings, we all are living things. Why? Because living things need food, okay, need water, need air, need sunlight. Okay, that's why plants are called living things. Why? Because plants can grow. Plants are living things. Okay, in order to live, plants need good soil. Plants need good soil, air, water. Okay, water and sunlight. Why sunlight? Because in the presence of sunlight, plants make their food. Okay, because with the help of sunlight, plants make their own food. Okay, इनको हम फूड नहीं देते, ठीक है, हम क्या देते हैं, सिर्फ प्लांट्स को वाटर देते हैं ना, और गुड सॉइल में लगाते हैं इनको, लेकिन इनको सनलाइट मिलती है. सनलाइट से क्या होता है, plants make their own food. Okay, so plants are living things. Plants grow all over the world. In order to live, plants grow in different ways. Plants grow in all shapes. Plants grow in all shapes and sizes. Okay, some plants are very small. Okay, some plants are very tall. Okay, this is called a tree. Okay, this is a tree. Some grow in the soil. Okay, some grow in the soil on the land, and some grow in the water like water lily. Okay, and some plants grow in the water. Okay, plants can grow on the soil, on land, and in water also. Okay, and plants grow in all shapes and sizes. Okay, that means plants can be short and plants can be tall. Okay, and what are the basic needs of plants? What are the basic needs of plants? That's why they are called living things. Okay, plants need air. Plants also need air. Why? Because plants are living things. That's why they also need air. Okay, plants need water. Plants need water. Why? Because plants are living things. That's why plants need water. Plants need soil, a good soil. Okay, plants need good soil to grow. Okay, plants need sunlight. Okay, I have told you about the sunlight. Why sunlight? Because with the help of sunlight, plants make their own food. Okay, so these are the things: air, water, soil, and sunlight. Because of these things, in the presence of these things, plants can grow. Okay, plants can grow because of these things. Why? Because plants are living things. Yes, you got my point. Seeds grow into the plants. Okay, this is a soil and plant. Okay, when you plant a seed होता है ना, हमें किस में मिलता है, फ्रूट्स में मिलता है ना सीड. जब हम सीड लगाते हैं सॉइल के अंदर, when we plant a seed in the soil, okay, and the seed turn into a plant, the seeds grow into the plants. This is how when you plant a seed in the soil, it grows into the plant. plants, and further it grows into the trees. Okay, this is how a seed turns into a plant. Okay, seeds grow, that means we need seed to grow plants. Okay, plants को उगाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? Seeds. Okay, why? Because seeds grow into the plants. Okay, are you getting my point? Now there are different types of plants. Okay, different types of plants. Herbs. What are herbs? Herbs are very small and weak plants. Okay, herbs are very small and weak plants. Weak means they are not very strong. Okay, they are not strong, they are very weak and very small. Why? Because they have very thin green soft stems. ठीक है, इनके बहुत soft से stems होते हैं, इसलिए ये weak plants होते हैं, ये easily break हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, herbs are very small and weak plants. Herbs are small plants with green tender stems. Okay, they are often aromatic. Aromatic means aroma means good smell. Okay, they are often aromatic, and the leaves can be used to flavor the food. Okay, these leaves you use to flavor the food, and they are usually used in cooking. Okay, coriander and mint. What is these things? Dhania, podina. Okay, coriander, mint, we use these things to flavor the food. Okay, we use these things in cooking. Your mama used coriander and mint, okay, and the other herbs in the cooking to flavor the food or for good aroma means for good smell. Okay, types of the plant. Herb. Okay, herb are very small and weak plants. Can you give me the example of herbs? Can you give me the more example of herbs? Okay, write your answer in the chat box. Okay, write your answer in the chat box. Now the other type, shrubs. Shrub is a woody plant. Shrub is a woody plant which is smaller than a tree. Is it look smaller or bigger? Smaller than a tree. Okay, and has many stems. Okay, this is a shrub, a woody plant. Okay, a woody plant which is smaller than a tree but bigger than herbs. Okay, shrub हर्ब्स से थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन ट्री से क्या होता है? स्मॉल होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका छोटे से वुडी स्टेम्स होते हैं. ठीक है, वुडी स्टेम्स होते हैं किसके? श्रब्स के. ओके, व्हाट आर दीज थिंग्स? श्रब्स लाइक रोज प्लांट हैव वुडी स्टेम्स. ओके, रोज प्लांट्स हैव वुडी स्टेम. Tulsi, jasmine. Okay, these are the example of shrubs. Some plants are very small while some are very big. Shrubs are small plants but with woody stem. Okay, shrubs are small plants but with woody stems. Okay, are you clear on this? Now we are moving to the other type, trees. Oh, trees are the largest plant. Okay, trees, herbs and shrubs are the small plants. Herbs are very small plants and shrubs are small plants, and trees are the largest plants. Okay, they have large wooden stem. You can see here on your screen, they have large wooden stem and they have many branches. Okay, and they have many branches. You can see on your screen, trees are the largest plants. Okay, you have trees in your school as well. They have large wooden stem and many branches. Okay, and many branches. Trees are the largest plants. They usually have a single woody stem. Okay, this single woody stem is called trunk. Okay, this single woody stem is called trunk. Okay, this single woody stem. This single woody stem is called trunk of the tree. Okay, trunk of the tree. Okay, this is a mango tree. And this is an apple tree, and this is coconut tree. Okay, coconut tree. Why? Because these are the largest plants. Okay, and the largest plants are called tree. We use the word tree for the largest plants. Okay, banyan tree. Okay, you can see here a large wooden stem. This is called a trunk. Okay, trunk. And the trees have many branches. You can see here branches of the tree. Okay, are you clear on this? Now, creepers. Do you know about the creepers or climbers? Do you have any idea about creepers? I think you are going to learn this first time. Creepers. Creepers are the plants with weak stems. Okay, creepers are the plants with weak stem. They grow along or close to the ground. Okay, they grow along or close to the ground. ठीक है, creepers क्या होते हैं? इनके बहुत weak stem होते हैं, इसलिए ये ऊपर बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. ये किस तरह से ग्रो करते हैं? बिल्कुल क्लोज टू द ग्राउंड. ओके, जमीन के साथ, ग्राउंड के साथ बिल्कुल ग्रो करते हैं. क्यों? Why? Because they have very weak stems. Okay, creepers. What is this word? Creeper. Pumpkin is the example of creeper. Okay, why? Because they have very weak stems. They grow along or close to the ground. Are the plants with weak stem? They grow along close to the ground. Watermelon and pumpkin are the example of creeper. What are the climbers? Climbers are plants which climb up. Okay, which climb up. Okay, other plants or surfaces. ठीक है, climbers आपने अक्सर देखा होगा. क्लाइंबर्स प्लांट्स जो होते हैं जो वॉल के साथ ग्रो कर रहे होते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? क्लाइंबर्स. ओके, ये क्लाइंबर किस पे? दूसरे प्लांट्स पे या दूसरी जो सरफेसेस होती हैं वॉल वगैरह पे ग्रो करते हैं. ठीक है, क्लाइंबर्स आर दी प्लांट्स दैट क्लाइंब अप अदर प्लांट्स और सरफेसेस. Okay, and this is the picture of grapevine. Okay, grapevine is an example of climber. Okay, grapevine is an example of climber plant. Okay, are you clear on this? Should we move to the next slide? Yes. Okay. And do you know about this tree usually have a single woody stem that is called trunk. Okay, trunk. But some trees are thousands of years old. Okay, each year the tree grows a new ring. Each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. Okay, what is the trunk? Trunk is a single woody stem. Okay, each year, okay, tree grows a new ring. Okay, inside the trunk. Okay, we can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. Okay, we can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. Okay, count with me. What is the age of this tree? What is the age of this tree? Count with me. Rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means this tree is 11 years old. Okay, this tree is 11-year-old. ठीक है, ये जो ट्रंक था, ठीक है, सिंगल वुडी स्टेम. जब आप ट्री को कट करते हैं ना, उसमें हमें रिंग्स नजर आती हैं. साल में एक दफ़ा, ठीक है, ईच ईयर, साल में एक दफ़ा ये न्यू रिंग बनाता है ट्री. और हम जब रिंग को काउंट करते हैं तो हमें क्या पता चल जाती है? उस ट्री की एज पता चल जाती है. ठीक है, वी कैन टेल द एज ऑफ द ट्री बाय काउंटिंग दीज रिंग्स. ओके, so each year a tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. Okay, and you can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. Okay, are you clear on this? Are you getting my point? Okay, now what is this? A tough protective outer layer of a tree or a woody shrub is called a bark. Okay, bark. Okay, a tough protective outer layer. You can see here a tough protective outer layer. Okay, जो उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रही होती है और बहुत सख्त होती है. ठीक है, outer layer जो होती है ट्री पे, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बार्क कहते हैं. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? बार्क. ओके, और ये जो है बीच में सर्कल, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? नॉट. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस?
note, ठीक है. And these are the rings. When you cut a tree, okay, you can see the rings inside the trunk. Okay, rings tells the age of the tree. Ring क्या बताती हैं? Inside the trunk ये जो rings हैं ये क्या बताती हैं? Tells the age of the rings, tells the age of the tree. Okay, this is a knot. Okay, this is called नॉट. नॉट पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे डेड ब्रांच हो जाती है, तब इसको ये क्या बन जाती है, यहाँ पे नॉट बन जाती है. और दिस प्रोटेक्टिव टफ लेयर, आउटर लेयर इज कॉल्ड बार. ओके, इज कॉल्ड बार. ओके, now beta, if you know, give me the example of herb, shrub and tree in the chat box. Okay, give me the example of herb, shrub. Okay, Mahnur, very good. Watermelon. Yes, watermelon is the example of, no, watermelon is the example of what? Creeper. Yes, creeper. Very good. Okay, watermelon and pumpkin are the example of, creepers. Okay, creepers. And what are the climbers? Like grapevine. Okay, the plants that climb up the other plants or surfaces are called climbers, like grapevine. Okay, and these are the trees. Okay, I hope you got all the types of trees, plants. Okay, shrubs, jasmine, like a jasmine, they are woody plant. Okay, they are woody plant, is smaller than a tree. Okay, but they also have many stems. Okay, they also have many stems. Okay, are you clear on this? So how is paper made up of? Do you know the answer? How is paper made up of? Paper is made from wood. Yes, paper is made from wood. How paper is made from wood? Wood is finely chopped and mixed with water, okay, to make a soft pulp. The pulp is then turned into the paper. Okay, when we cut a tree, okay, सही है, जब आप tree cut करते हो, ये आपने wood से इकट्ठी कर ली, ठीक है, इसको अच्छी तरह से चॉप किया जाता है और मिक्स किया जाता है किसके साथ? वार्म वाटर के साथ. ठीक है, इसको मिक्स किया जाता है वाटर के साथ और एक सॉफ्ट पल्प बनाते हैं. ठीक है, टू मेक अ सॉफ्ट पल्प. और देन दिस पल्प इज टर्न इनटू द पेपर. फिर इस पल्प को किस में चेंज किया जाता है? पेपर में. तो पेपर इज मेड फ्रॉम वुड. Okay, and this is how, these are the steps. This is how a paper is made from the wood. And ये process कहाँ पर होता है? ये factories में होता है. जो बड़ी बड़ी factories होती हैं वहाँ पर ये process होता है. Okay, this is how a paper is made from the wood. Okay. Okay, beta. This is the home task for the day one. Okay, this is new chapter for you. ठीक है बेटा, ये आपके लिए new chapter है तो और new topics है, इसलिए इस चैप्टर को हम आज इतना ही रखेंगे. एंड वी विल डिस्कस दिस यूनिट फर्दर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, एंड वी विल एंड दिस यूनिट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, सो दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ द होम टास्क फॉर द डे वन. ओके, take a screenshot and read the unit number 3. Read this unit number 3, plants and their parts. Okay, unit number 3 from your book at page number 18. Okay, read this unit carefully from your book. Okay, this is your home task for the day one. Define the following terms with example. Okay, define the following terms with example: herb, shrub, tree, creeper and climber. That means you are going to write the definition of the herb, then give the example of herb. Okay, give any example of herb. Okay, definition of the shrub and give the example of shrub, like tree. Okay, tree, creeper, climber. And how is paper made up of? The answer is given in the slides and the answer is also given in your book. Okay, how is paper made up of? Paper is made from wood. Okay, the paper used to make this book came from a tree. Okay, the paper used to make your book came from a tree. Paper is made from wood. Wood is finely chopped and mixed with water to make a soft pulp. Then the pulp is turned into the paper. Okay, the answer is given in your book. This is a home task for the day one. Okay, I am going to give a quick review on the topic plants. Okay, today we have discussed the plants, and inshallah in the next class we will further discuss their parts, plants parts. Okay, parts of the plant we will discuss in the next class. Okay, objectives. Plants are living things. They grow in all shapes and sizes. Some grow in the soil, on the land, and other grows in water. Okay, other grows in water. And plants need, what are the basic need of living organism? What are the basic need of living things? You know that air. Okay, plants also need air. Why? Because plants are living things. Okay, plants need water. Plants need soil to grow. Plants need sunlight because in the presence of sunlight, plants make their food. Okay, and seeds grow into the plant. When we plant a seed in the soil, it grows into the plants. Okay, it grows into the plants. Okay, now the types of the plants. We have learned about 5 types of the plants today: herbs, shrubs, tree, creepers and climbers. This topic is a quite new for you. ठीक है बेटा, ये मैंने आपको आज ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ाया इसीलिए क्योंकि ये टॉपिक नया है आपके लिए. ठीक है, इसको अच्छे से बुक से रीड करना है. रीड दिस यूनिट थॉरली from your book at page number 18. Okay, herbs are very small and weak plants. Okay, they have very thin and soft stems like coriander, like mint. Okay, and shrubs are the woody plants with many main stems. Okay, with many main stems, but these are smaller plants. Okay, they are smaller than a tree. Okay, like jasmine, like rose plants. Okay, and the trees are the largest plants. They have single woody stem called trunk. Okay, and when we cut this trunk, okay, we can find the rings, and rings tell the age of the tree. Okay, and these are creepers. They grow along or close to the ground, and mostly जो creepers plants होते हैं, ठीक है, इनके fruits ये क्या होते हैं, बड़े size के होते हैं. ठीक है, इसीलिए ये straight grow नहीं कर सकते, और ये grow कहाँ करते हैं, close to the ground. Creepers grow to the ground like pumpkin, like watermelon. Okay, and the climbers are the plants that grow on the other surfaces. Okay, and other plants like grapevine. Okay, now the rings of the tree, okay, inside the trunk can tell the age of the tree, these rings. Okay, now a tough protective outer layer of the tree. Outer layer is very tough and protective. Okay, ये protect कर रही होती है tree को. ठीक है, this is called bark, and this is a knot. This is called knot. Okay, and these are the rings. You can find the rings inside the trunk. When you cut a trunk, you can see the rings. Okay, rings tell the age of the tree. Okay, got it? And this is how a paper made from wood is all process. Okay, when we cut a tree and the wood is finally chopped and mixed with the water, and we make a soft pulp, then this soft pulp is then turned into the paper. And this is home task for the day 1. Take a picture and screenshot. Okay, कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में बता दी थी किस तरह से कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है आपको. ठीक है, आपको पहले आपको आउटर फेस शीट बनानी है, एंड cover your copy with the plastic sheet, then make the inner face sheet. Okay, then make the title page of unit number 3, plants and their parts. Okay, ठीक है, अच्छा, and do book page number 22 and 23. Okay, do book page number 22 and 23. Okay, this is your home task. ठीक है बेटा, ये बुक का काम आपको बुक में ही करना है. पेज नंबर 22 and 23. Okay, question number 1. Okay, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Page number 22 and 23. ये काम आपको किस में करना है, ये काम आपको बुक में ही करना है. ठीक है, और ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक ही करना है क्योंकि आज हमने हाफ यूनिट पढ़ा है, एंड द अदर हाफ इंशाल्लाह वी विल कवर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. तो फिर मैं आपको आगे का काम तब दूंगी. ठीक है, do book page number 22 and 23 till question number 4. Okay, these are the answer question number 1 and question number 2. Define the following terms with the example and how is paper made up of. होम टास्क फॉर द डे 1, होम टास्क आपका और भी है इस यूनिट का, ठीक है। जब हम ये यूनिट कंप्लीट करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास के अंदर, फिर मैं आपको इसका बुक का सारा काम और क्वेश्चन आंसर वो दूंगी, ठीक है। Home task for the day 1, only 2 question. Okay, these 2 question write in your copy. Okay, use blue color pencil for question writing and for heading. Okay, for heading, and write the answer with the pencil. Okay, and do these 2 pages, page number 22 and 23 in your book. Question number 1, okay, exercise. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 3 and question number 4, match these. Okay, what will you do in this section? Okay, write tree. Find out which one is tree and which is climber, shrub and herb. This is your task. Okay, and match the fruit with the seeds. Okay, beta, today's class ends here. We will continue this unit in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.